How can I unblock a number to receive text messages from that contact?
Hello and welcome to our quick guide on unblocking a contact on your mobile device. If you've blocked a contact in the past but now wish to receive text messages from them again, you've come to the right place. This guide will walk you through the steps on both iOS and Android devices.
What does it mean to unblock a contact?
When you unblock a contact, you are essentially reversing the blocking action you previously implemented. This will allow you to receive calls, messages, and other communications from this contact once again.
How to unblock a contact on iOS?
If you're an iPhone user, the process is straightforward. Let's dive right in. 1. Open your Settings app. 2. Scroll down and tap on Phone, Messages, or FaceTime. You can unblock a contact from any of these sections. 3. Tap on Blocked Contacts or Blocked. 4. You will see a list of your blocked contacts. Swipe left on the number or contact you want to unblock and tap Unblock. And that's it. You can now receive text messages from this contact again.
How to unblock a contact on Android?
If you're using an Android device, the process may slightly vary depending on your device's brand and the app you're using for messaging. However, we will cover the general process here. 1. Open your phone app. 2. Tap on the three-dot icon in the top right corner and then select Settings. 3. Tap on Blocked Numbers or Call Blocking. 4. You will see a list of blocked numbers. Next to the number you want to unblock, tap on the X or Unblock. And voila! You've unblocked the contact and can start receiving text messages from them again. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to unblock a contact on both iOS and Android devices. We hope this guide has been helpful and you're ready to reconnect with your contacts. Until next time, happy texting!